Hi everyone, Rainey with my Dream Boat Project, and today I'd like to do a little product review with you. And you've already seen me working on the plans for the boat. Well, what have I been using? A lot of people have asked me what kind of paper I've been using. And what it is just a simply white Kraft paper. White Kraft paper that I got from Amazon. It's actually a quite thick paper. It's a very good quality. I've gotten few problems with ripping it as I went through, except for when I use my big 4-foot T-square. If I throw that on the table, yeah, I might gouge it. But it's a very good quality paper that I've been using. Now this one here is, how big is this? This one here is 30 inches. 30 inches by 100 feet. And what I've been doing this for the big bulkheads that I'm doing, I double it up. So it's 60 inches by 8 feet, 10 feet, whatever size I need for the bulkheads. So that's the one I've been using here. And now this one here, just so you know, I don't remember the company because each time I do it, it seems to be a different company, but it's pretty much the same paper when you get the white Kraft paper. This one, a 30 foot by 100 foot, was actually $24 for the roll. And the neat thing about it, I ordered it and I got it within 2 days. And the first one I got, I still have a lot of this left. This one here, whoa, I'll get far back. This is actually a 4-foot roll. Oops, my other paper's going out. So this is a 4-foot roll that I use, and this is what I started doing most of my bulkheads with. So it's nice, I just take it and roll it right down there. Comes and it's shipped in a very sturdy box. Okay, so it does come in a nice big box, not damaged whatsoever, so their shipping was really good. I'm very pleased with it. The larger one that I got, I actually don't have the price because that company, it's not available with them, but again, that was called the White Kraft Jumbo Roll. And it was 48 inches by 100 inches, so I could just do a single one with that. So I've been using it right along, been doing really well with it. I just wanted to let you know about it. Initially, I had gone to Home Depot and got some of their paper. I know they have some that they use for roofing and for flooring and things like this here. And I got some that was brown, probably just about the same color as this box. And I think that probably would have worked. It was about the same price. However, when I started drawing on it with the pencil, it was really hard to see the pencil markings. They also have one that's rose over there, rose colored. And again, just to see the markings, I like it to be bright and bold. So that's what I like about the white Kraft paper. So I give it a 5 out of 5. It was a great paper. If it's something you decide you want to use, matter of fact, you can see I just spread one out here. And I'm going to be putting another one on top of it. And you can see way down there in the distance on top of my table saw, I've already got, that actually doesn't look like it, but there's 10 rolls over there. Some of them are rolled inside of each other. So I have 10 rolls because I've already done 10 of the bulkheads of this boat, and I have 5 more to do. Hopefully I'll get some done tonight and the rest of them real soon. So with that, I want to thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.